So the plan is to do a video every week on what we're doing in off season from racing. So sorry it's been a while, but thanks for watching, and there's plenty more coming up. We just got, if you can see that XJ out there, we just got that done, and we're still working on wiring for the buggy, working on wiring in the shop so we have more light in here so you guys can see better. So it's back to wiring. We are going to use the label printer to label all the wires we're doing. We're just about to order the last of our wiring. We're going to do a Deutsch connector through the side of the box somewhere. One plug. We'll have all the relays coming into that. Another positive and negative bulkhead connector, which will feed everything, and then we're gonna have the main power cable, this one, coming through with the connector. Still have to figure out how to do that because that's a pretty thick wire. This is our gauge, or sorry, our switch panel, which will print out labels and label it here. We actually ordered fuses that will light up, and the fuses that light up will let us know if we blow anything. But we also have rubber like switch covers, so it's a lot simpler than this setup where these are the same covers, but we're gonna switch up all of this to make it simpler, because we don't have a passenger seat anymore. So I'm still not sure if I'm gonna move. I'm probably gonna move the cut brakes to there and then figure out a new dash layout, but I still have to have the siren buttons, which I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about those yet. But all these and all these are gonna be basically in just this. So I might end up drilling out here and putting those two siren buttons here or right next to it, not sure yet, or put a foot switch. What I'd like to do is to put a foot switch down there, like a high and low beam switch, and you hit it and that would be the horn button. Not sure what I'm going to do yet, but we are going to get to do some wiring. So if you have any questions, I'm not really good with leaving stuff in the description yet, so bear with us. But if you want to know what I'm using, if you want to know, leave a comment, I'll put it in there, and that's where it will be. But basically it's a quick car panel, Holley Terminator X, painless, there's actually the part number, 3-pack and 6-pack relay bank. So hopefully this will all turn out good and the wiring will be way easier to handle.